Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download TeamViewer on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is go to a site called TeamViewer.com. This is the official website for TeamViewer, and from here we want to click on the free download button. TeamViewer is free to download, but they also got some remote access plans and business plans if you're interested. But if you just want to get the free TeamViewer plan, go ahead and click on download now. And then from here it will say TeamViewer for Windows, access devices remotely, and provide or receive support. So go ahead and click on download TeamViewer. And now this is going to go ahead and download it onto your PC. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once it's finished downloading. Alright, so once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open it up. If it's not appearing here, go to your download section on your computer and open it up. And now we want to do I'm going to do a default installation for this, and then I'm going to click on accept and next. Click on yes. Now this is going to go ahead and install TeamViewer on your PC. So give that a few moments to run its course. Alright, so once it's downloaded, it will say TeamViewer license agreement. Go ahead and read it and click on I accept the EULA and the DPA and click continue. And then a little pop-up will appear which will say what's new. You can all go ahead and have a read if you like. Then from there, TeamViewer is going to open up, and then we can either sign into TeamViewer or create a new account.